Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's start the reasoning work. Okay, let me give you some of the reasoning questions. हम new type पहले तो old type का करते हैं, 1 और 2 old type का करते हैं, फिर मैं आपको new type के एक देती हूँ questions. Okay, everyone, this is quite tough one. अब मैं आपको tough दे रही हूँ. Computer का code is given to you as this. Then how will you write the word medicine?
Medi.
Yes. It is quite tough one. Let me also write it somewhere.
I think I got it.
Okay, do not tell us, but write in the
Okay.
chat box instead of telling here. Let me check in the chat box what you are writing. Okay, to wait a second, abhi ruk jao. To everyone, okay, to host only you can chat. हाँ, host only. ठीक है. Let me see. J C D I J. Let me see who writes the answer first. Correct answer. It's quite tough one. If computer is written as in this code, how will you write medicine?
Ma'am, I am unable to understand your question.
Okay, Pratyusha wrong. Wrong, Pratyusha. Break the code. Try to break the code of computer. ये कंप्यूटर का कोड ब्रेक करने की कोशिश करो. मेडिसिन को भूल जाओ. Try to break the code of computer. ये कंप्यूटर लिखा कैसे? Try to find it out.
Ma'am, I got it.
हाँ, जल्दी से लिखो.
Ma'am, I got it now.
ओके ओके लिखो. फर्स्ट वाला तो रॉन्ग है प्रत्युषा. रेहांश नहीं आज.
Yes, ma'am.
रेहांश नहीं आज. वो देता आंसर पहले. एवरी टाइम गिव्स आंसर फर्स्ट. पता नहीं कहाँ से उसको आंसर आ जाते हैं.
Because I have connected, I am doing. Spotlight yourself.
Ma'am, can you spotlight?
Sorry, sorry, don't disconnected. I'm so sorry. It was disconnected for a time, a minute. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am,
It was disconnected.
my answer once again.
What happened?
Ma'am, I have to send again.
बेटा हाँ क्योंकि ना मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी so I my chats are missing. फिर से टाइप कर दो. Okay.
Ma'am, it is showing Maria's one is not in this meeting.
Earlier it was not there just because it was disconnected by mistake. Now I'm here only. Just say answer. Okay, Pratyusha will tell me. Pratyusha, what is the code used over here?
EOJDJ.
No. Stop. I'm asking, how did you break this code?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, first I write the last name, last letter in the first one.
Okay.
Then after N it's come O. Then I write O. Then after I it come J.
नहीं इसका बताओ ना कंप्यूटर का कैसे ब्रेक किया कोड. कंप्यूटर का
first we will write the last letter into the first one.
Yes.
Then after E it will become F.
Yes.
Then after T it will be U.
Yes.
After U it will be V.
Yes.
Then after P it will be Q.
Yes.
Then after M it will be N. Then after O there will be P. And the C will be in the last.
Very good. Okay, now let's see. Divyanshu, is it the same way you have done?
Ma'am, what?
Is it the same way you have done? How have you done this? How did you break the code of computer? Divyanshu,
Ma'am, I have done.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I have done first. Ma'am, I see ma'am computer.
Wait a
Ma'am,
minute,
then I see.
Divyanshu. Wait a minute. Now you speak. Huh? What you have done?
Ma'am, first I am seeing ma'am computer. Then ma'am see. Ma'am,
Hey, how
next
did you
I have.
break this code? How did you break this one code? I'm not asking this code. I'm asking how did you break this code?
Ma'am, at computer last you have written R. So ma'am,
Yes.
I also like same it.
Hmm.
And ma'am after E it come ma'am F. So ma'am I have written F. Ma'am after T is come U. So ma'am I have written U. Ma'am after U is come V. Ma'am then ma'am after P. Ma'am after P Q comes. Ma'am then after M N comes. And ma'am then after O P comes. And ma'am then C is, so ma'am we write
Okay.
C as
Very
it
good.
is.
Okay, very good. Now look, listen here, everyone. So, wait a minute. So what we have done here, see here, the first letter and first letter, last letter becomes the first letter, and the first letter becomes the last letter. First वाला last में, last वाला first में है. So M will come at last place and E will come at first place. ये तो पता चल गया, ठीक है? अब now you can see. अब O F का कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, but if you can see next letter is E है और इधर F है. E और F का कोई कनेक्शन है? Yes, E के बाद F आता है. फिर if you see M, sorry, M नहीं, if you see T, T का कनेक्शन U है. T is connected to U. U के बाद क्या आता है? V. T के बाद क्या आता है? Q. M के बाद आता है N. O के बाद आता है P. That means in the opposite way we are writing down the numbers. N के बाद आता है O. I के बाद आता है J. C के बाद आता है D. I के बाद आता है J. D के बाद आता है E. And E के बाद आता है F. So this is the code. E O J D J E F M. That's why I said this is quite tough question. Only 3 students answered it me correctly. Okay, now I'm going to give you another question. Note it down, someone. Note it down, everyone.
Ma'am, can you give easy question?
नहीं,
Ma'am,
easy
can
की
you
अब need नहीं है. No, I will not give now easy questions. Now it is the time to do tough questions.
No, ma'am, please give tough only.
Yes. Now, just so I give in 3rd class, they also do it. Yeah, I'm going to rub this. Note it down somewhere. कहीं note कर लेना, okay? Please note down reasoning questions. Otherwise, you will ask me in the end, and I don't have it. I am giving it on my own. Okay. ये रोज वाला तो मैंने आपसे करवाया था ना शायद.
No, ma'am.
नहीं करवाया. Okay, let's do it. Rows 1. 6, 8, 2, 1. Wait a minute. Rows is coded as not like this. 6, 8, 2, 1. Chair is coded as 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then and preach. Preach is coded as 961473. How will you write search? Do it.
Got it.
One is easy. You can do it. Everyone can do it. Okay, let me see. पहले मैं खुद तो निकालूं, है ना? Let me see what will be there. Yes.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, it is very easy.
Yes, it is easy.
Ma'am, I send you.
Okay. Okay, let me see. First is Rehansh to send. First Rehansh is sent here. First is Rehansh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Who
7.
is second? Who is second? Imad is second.
1, 2, 3.
Then who is third one? Anjali is third. Anjali is third. Then Om is fourth. And let me check the fifth one. Who sent me the fifth one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one. Who will send me?
I cannot.
It is very easy. This one is very easy.
I can do the before one which you have sent. Tell.
This one is easier.
Ma'am,
It
this
was
one
with
is
me.
easier than the. And the first one was very easy.
Okay, I want one more answer. No, Samar, it is wrong.
Ma'am,
Note
mine
it
is
down.
wrong.
And everyone just note it down also somewhere, so that it will not be a problem, or you take a screenshot of it and keep it safely, or you note it down.
I have noted in my copy,
Very
reasoning
good.
copy.
Very good. I want one more answer. At least 5 students must answer it. Samar ने गलत किया है, but Rehansh, Imad, Anjali and Om break it correctly. Beta, instead of finding this answer, try to find out what is the code using here. What are we using the code here? Nobody said. Okay, Divyanshu, next one. ठीक है. Fifth one is Divyanshu. Good. Now, Rehansh, please explain what is the code. Where are you, Rehansh? Where are you, Rehansh? Now I got it. Yeah, Rehansh, please explain this code. How have you break it? Please, everyone else, switch off your mics. Please, everyone else. Wait a minute, Rehansh. Let me switch them all off. Rehansh, now you can switch on your mic and please explain it.
Okay, ma'am, in this case, number is given to every alphabet. Like R is 6, R is 6, O
R
is
is
8,
6. बेटा
S
R6
is 2.
बेटा R6 है, ये कैसे कंफर्म किया आपने? कि R6 ही है. How have you confirmed it? Confirmation चाहिए होती है. How have you confirmed it कि R6 ही है?
Ma'am, because in all the three words, wherever the R is coming, the 6 is coming.
Very good, excellent. Wherever the R is coming at last, it is coming at last 6. R is coming here, R is coming here. Okay, so this is the R here. Okay, then what is there? R is 6. Then और
Ma'am,
कैसे?
R is 6, O
Yes.
is 8, S is 2, and E is 1. So,
See,
ma'am, the
beta.
fourth will be. So,
You're
ma'am,
correct. Yes, beta. Wait a minute, Rehansh. I'm stopping you here. Yes, he's correct. R is 6, O is 8. But beta, फिर भी हम एक बार confirm करते हैं reasoning में for a minute. Okay, you are correct. I'm not saying you are wrong. But still, we should confirm the things. Like, एक बार confirm कर लेते हैं जो इसमें भी आ रहा है वो इसमें भी आ रहा है वो इसमें भी आ रहा है सेम है कि नहीं है एक बार confirm कर लेते हैं. For example, C is here. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना बेटा, numbers ना इधर उधर jumbled up होते हैं, तो इसलिए कंफर्म करना जरूरी होता है. ठीक है, ब्रेकिंग कोड में भले ही आपको 1 मिनट लगे, टेक 1 more minute एक्स्ट्रा, बट बी केयरफुल इन द ब्रेकिंग द कोड. इससे तो आप जल्दी से कर सकते हो. वंस यू ब्रेक द कोड एवरीथिंग इज इजी. सी सेकंड है और 7 है. सी यहाँ यूज हुआ है तो भी 7 यूज हुआ, और सी और तो कहीं यूज नहीं हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एच इज यूज है, एच इज 3 है, एच इज यूज है, एच इज 3 है. तो दैट मीन्स दे आर अरेंज लाइक आर का जो है वो 6 है, ओ का 8 है, एस का 2 है, एंड ई का 1 है. राइट दिस ना रेहांश? ओके. नाउ रेहांश टेल मी what is the value of s?
Ma'am, the search is 214673.
Okay, the value of s is 2. If you can see here, value of s is 2. So we pick 2 from here. If you want to see the value of e, E का आप यहाँ से भी ले सकते हो, E का यहाँ पे भी ले सकते हो. 1 आ रहा है इधर और इधर भी 1 आ रहा है. 2 1. इधर A का what is the value of A, Rehansh?
Ma'am, the value of A is 4.
A is 4 here. A is 4 here. Yeah, 2 1 4. What is the value of R? अभी बताई थी 6. C की CH आएगा ना, तो CH का you can take it from here. 2 1 4 6 7 3 is the correct answer. Okay, everyone, understood? Okay. I hope you understood it well. Now let me give you another question.
Ma'am, again give like this question only.
नहीं बेटा, अब सेम नहीं दिया जाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Same is not given every time. You have to use the brain every time. Then what is the brain?
No
किसका नाम
problem,
लिखना
ma'am.
है? Okay, a little bit more tough than the previous two. Okay.
Then the first one.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is easy.
It is easy
Ma'am, it
because
is
you have done previously one type of question like this. Like this is because of that. है ना? पहले भी कर चुकी हो.
Yes, ma'am.
इसलिए आपको easy लग रहा है. है ना? इसलिए अब easy लग रहा है.
I'm like
I want to be the first.
tiger.
Be quick. Let us see who to give me the first answer. Okay, first one is Rehansh. Rehansh ही हो जाता है ये first. अब तो मैं रेहांश को जबरदस्ती नीचे कर देती हूँ. Okay, I'll just push him down. Okay, I'll write some other name afterwards. ठीक है रेहांश? Okay.
Ma'am, send it.
Ma'am, send it.
Okay.
Ma'am, first I send. Ma'am, before only
Ma'am,
I send first.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
नहीं अंजलि रॉन्ग है. थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग कर दिया बेटा.
Ma'am,
थोड़ा नहीं
why?
बहुत सा रॉन्ग कर दिया है. रेहांश का तो ठीक था. प्रत्युषा का भी देख रही हूँ मैं. या प्रत्युषा इज सेकंड. प्रत्युषा है या प्रत्युषा कौन है?
Ma'am, Pratyusha.
प्रत्युषा का सेकंड. अंजलि का रॉन्ग है. दिव्यांशु का भी रॉन्ग है.
Ma'am, can you tell me which alphabet is wrong?
बेटा ऑल आर रॉन्ग. इमाद थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग कर रहे. थोड़ा सा.
Ma'am,
अब ना इमाद व्हाट यू आर डूइंग? इमाद यू आर नॉट रीडिंग द एबीसीडी प्रॉपर्ली. इमाद बिल्कुल ठीक है.
Ma'am,
बस
it is very
एबीसीडी.
easy.
Ma'am, I am sending again.
Ma'am, it
Please
is
wait
a
for
little
5
bit easy.
इमाद बस एबीसीडी इधर उधर कर दिए थोड़ी सी.
Ma'am, it is easy.
दिव्यांशु तुमने अपोजिट लिख दिया है.
Ma'am, I think Devanshu has written REJIT.
फिर ओके. दिव्यांशु
Ma'am, I
नॉट
am
करेक्ट.
sending. Wait for 5. Ma'am, I am sending. Wait for 2 minutes.
Oh my god, 2 minutes. हाँ 2 minutes. दिव्यांशु करेक्ट.
Ma'am, first I don't know, ma'am. When you said आपने उल्टा लिख दिया, so ma'am, I do it.
हाँ तो उल्टा कर दिया है ना. यू डिड इट उल्टा है ना दिव्यांशु.
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने कहा उल्टा लिख दिया तो उल्टा कर दिया उसको. वेरी स्मार्ट. हाँ दिस
Ma'am,
इज
now
आल्सो
correct.
रीजनिंग.
And
यस
now I
इमाद.
have sent.
यस इमाद. वन मोर आई वांट द आंसर. कि कोई तो बता दे मुझे करेक्ट आंसर. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर समवन टू गिव मी द करेक्ट आंसर.
Ma'am, we have also given the correct answer.
Yes, these students have given the correct answer.
Let's see right in my copy.
Okay, let me tell you the answer because time is less and I have to give you one more question. Okay, let me tell you the answer now. See, what is the answer here? If it is given x here, Pratyusha, will you want to explain, or Divyanshu, any one of you who want to explain?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Sumit, now please don't shout. Okay, if you can see here, चलो I'm explaining because time is less. See बेटा, y से पहले क्या आता है x, y से पहले आता है x, e से पहले आता है d, d e, k से पहले आता है j, j k, n से पहले आता है m, m n, o से पहले आता है n, n o, m से पहले आता है l. That means r से पहले क्या आता है q, E से पहले क्या आता है D, D से पहले क्या आता है E F G F, I से पहले H, G H I, तो H, T से पहले P Q R S, so this will be the Q D F H S. Okay, एक और देती हूँ जल्दी से. Be quick then.
Yes, ma'am, I will be.
कितना टाइम रहेगा? 2 minutes are left. Within 2 minutes reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just be quick. Let's be quick.
Ma'am, 1 minute left.
Oh, so then shall I give you next time?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you next time.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
next time be quick. Okay, only 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, I will be always quick.
Ma'am, only 45 seconds left.
Now I will give you tough questions from next time onwards. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
This type of question and one more type is left, and that I will teach and we'll further move to the next topic. And the mathematical operations we have done, patterns we have not done. Right? Patterns we have not done.
Ma'am, I am also doing the activity which you have sent, that I have to write centimeter.
Which one? Which one?
Centimeter and ma'am decameter.
वो तो ठीक है, that is of maths. Yes, yes, that is of maths. But mathematical operations we have done. Now we are going to start the next topic of reasoning. That analogy we have done, classification. Now we will do some. हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, can I send work on group, because ma'am, I do not have your number.
You don't have what? Number?
Ma'am, your number.
हाँ तो ग्रुप पे ही सेंड कर देना.
Ma'am can find in
हाँ
the
ग्रुप
group.
पे you can send. Group पर you can send. No issues. No problem. Okay. So the time is up and the school is being over after this period. So enjoy your day. Sit in the dhoop. There is so much sunshine over there. Go and sit there. Henna Reyansh, are you going to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Enjoy your day, everyone. Bye. Only 1, 2. Oh my God! All the students left. Oh my God! You are such a hurry now. यहाँ पर भी ना लॉक होनी चाहिए मीटिंग कि आप रह नहीं सकते यहाँ पर, निकल नहीं सकते आप मीटिंग से. जैसे क्लासरूम का डोर होता है ना, लॉक कर देते हैं. It should be like this. Okay. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye बेटा.